influences the maximum. If you get into musty friends, you will become a musty fellow. If you become a professional leadership friends, you will become a professional leadership child. Please respect your parents who are professional and beautiful and leaders in the world. So follow your parents, not those few 5% will be here who make mockery of the parents. Please follow your teachers, your parents, your wonderful friends who make your life grow up. Friends should pull you up, not pull you down. So I request everyone, please take everything. Don't grow long hair, long. Okay? Please don't, if you don't allow in the school, then I will come and cut it. Okay? Okay, well the girls are lucky, they have to have the long hair. But you children, please can't do that, okay? You see, many teachers have cut their hair because what to do to just encourage you to cut. So I request all students, please see that you have absolutely good, like a beautiful school child. Please have. We are not some Romeo outside. And don't do all that zoo football cut, and moha, do that. Don't do all those cuts, please. That scares me. Then what I do? I call the Baba to motte. Motte means shh. I am telling you, I do it. So if you play with me, I'll play with you. If you play in the school, I'll play with the children. So I request you all, please see that you maintain every teacher, don't allow a child, please and go. This is fault of a teacher, fault of a coach, fault of a dog parent, if you allow. If a child comes with wrong colored hair, long hair, teacher should say, sorry child, go to the Baba right now and come, I won't allow the class. You have to take action immediately, not tomorrow. Madam, I'll do it in the night. Madam, I'll do it day after tomorrow. No, immediately. No child is allowed to wear jewelry. Nowadays, more than girls, boys wear. They put one here, put in the tongue. They put in all the 16 things here. I've seen some boys. One boy came for admission from UK. When he came with his father here, his father is running a chain of laundries in UK. The father brought his child. He said, sir, my child I brought him in 11th standard. When the child came to me, I saw, my God, I couldn't see anything except all pins. Here, one pin. Oh, those pins. I don't know how many pins he had. I was sitting and counting the pins. 1, 2, 3, 4. Father's wondering what I'm doing. This is shocking here. Because I don't know how he eats also. So many pins he has. The count of the pins. So many pins. So I asked his father, why this? Sir, I have been trying, that's why I brought him to India, because I want Indian culture. We have 150 children who are from all over the world, NRI children. Because parents love you and want to bring us into Indian culture. They don't want the bland, that wrong culture of Western, which makes you look wrong and you think it's style. It's not a style. It is wrong. Please don't do that. If I see anything, I'll put on your face everywhere. I'll put big earrings. Boys, if you want to wear a small one. Why wear a small one, man? It's not a jhumka leke chalo na. Jhum. So I've got some big jhumkas. Okay? If you wear one, I'll put big jhumkas and make you in assembly. And make you shake your head. And girls will also shake their heads. And tell you very smart you are. For competing with them. So please don't wear anything, no jewelry on the nose, on the tongue, and everywhere, please. I request you. Please don't do that. And anybody who's carrying any expensive thing, one child came to me, he said, sir, my father is a wholesale gold bullion trader. Gold bullion trader. I said, they also, he had 1 kilo of I'm not joking, such a thick gold plated thing like that. Like Cleopatra. Such a big one. And then he had all the 5 fingers. And if he had 4 fingers, you would put more big gold rings. And he was showing me, he said, how is it? I didn't get time to remove his shoe and see if he had all 2 rings also. Don't do all of this. This will get lost. You can't have everyone's rich here. Every can afford all the 10 fingers or 20 fingers you can afford to wear gold. Everyone is good, well off. Believe me. Please don't do that. And here what happens in a group living, you lose something and you blame the school. You go to football ground, You go to cricket ground, you go to basketball ground, you take out your watch and keep it there, and then you talk to your friends and you forget it, and you come back, and you say, I kept my watch very safely in the cupboard. I got so nice that I kept it in a cushion. Don't do what it is. School will not accept you carrying any expensive thing with you, not more than 5,000. All other things, please see that you don't carry this. I request you, any expensive thing, please give it to your matron. One girl once came to me and told me, sir, my diamond studs, sir, I lost it. I said, Betty, sir, my mommy will speak to you. I want to speak to my mommy, and mommy will speak to you. And mommy said, sir, वो बहुत expensive, sir, वो 5 लाख के हैं. I said, मेरे लिए तो 5,000 है, because 5,000 maximum I rented to. I told you, anything at school is 5,000. She lost it where we don't know, because you removed it, for some reason, and then you forgot or where it went. It will vanish. I will go now and keep this watch there. And watch, after 15 minutes, my watch will go. I don't try, it will vanish. I'm not going to leave it. There are so many people working here. So many. You have to be conscious about your gifts from your daddy. Okay? Please be careful what your loving parents are giving you. Please don't carry expensive thing. Any expensive, teachers also see. Please see that they surrender to the matron. We wouldn't like any child to be given. See that 1 kg gold feather. Okay. So I request everyone, don't carry any expensive thing. If you bought expensive, even the girls, please inform your dorm parent. Your school is not responsible, it's not possible to be a personal guard. It's not possible, please. Next. Yeah, this I told you a number of times, please. Conduct yourself with their school rules. We'll give you a booklet of school rules. Please conduct yourself with dignity. Take pride in wearing the school uniform. Take pride. It's so good. Your school in Hollis Gate for 3 consecutive times has been awarded the best school uniform. A big hand to yourself for being on the Hollis Gate. And this is a great thing. You will not value it. Your school uniform looks like the Indian Air Force officer's uniform. Yeah, you want something in the chair? Yeah, tell me, don't be a rat. Come here, please, come. Be a nice man and talk. Come, please. Because this is where I feel you'll tease teachers back. You'll all be a rat. You'll keep murmuring something. You're a weak child. You need to come here and talk something beautiful and express.